Lucas asked me about the complimentary maintenance for 3 years.
Steve, what is the complimentary maintenance on this for 2 years?
Lucas, you're going to love this. Not only do you get a great price here at Stearns Ford, but we're going to lower your cost of ownership as well. You're going to change the oil in that vehicle, aren't you?
Yes, sir.
And you're going to rotate the tires, right?
Yes, sir.
Well, instead of you paying $600 plus over the next 3 years to have your oil changed and your tires rotated and your fluids topped off, we're going to pay the $600. That's going to rather dramatically lower your cost of ownership, certainly for the first 3 years. Now, why are we doing that, Lucas? Lucas, we've got a great service department, but you don't know that. We're literally willing to pay you to use our service department for the next 4 oil changes, tire rotations, with the deep-seated belief that when you use our service department, you will discover how great they are and you will keep on using them. Consider this a $600 bribe, and it's a legal bribe, Lucas. Quantify the value. Okay?
That's
Does
the
it?
only way to do this training.
What'd you say?
Almost a legal bribe, not illegal, right?
No, legal
It's
bribe.
legal.
Legal bribe. Do people like to be bribed?
Mhm.
If as long as it's legal, yes. And some people don't even care whether it's legal or not.